Creating a floating ghost is easier than you think. You have probably already seen the viral TikTok video of floating Max from Stranger Things. You can create this floating illusion very easy. You can do it simple as mine or be more creative and add additional objects to it. The secret to this illusion is a fishing line. The thinner the line, the better. For this illusion to work, you need a point A and point B to hang your fishing line. I am going to use these two corners of my roof as example. I put a drywall screw on this corner and did the same on the other corner. If you pay close attention, you will see the fishing line, but it won't be visible from certain angles and at a certain distance. My line is already there and it is not visible at all. Next, hang your ghost. I wanted to use this one, but it was too heavy and I didn't like it. I used this smaller one instead. There you have it. You now have a nice floating ghost. Below this video, you will find a subscribe button. Tap on it and check out my other videos.